Hi friends, this is Kavya and welcome to my channel Famous Dishes. Today we are making a nice spicy tangy chicken dish called as chicken Bhuna Masala. Let's check out the ingredients followed by the recipe. 800 grams of chicken washed and drained, 3 tablespoons of curd, coriander chopped, 3 big size tomatoes chopped, 2 big size onions chopped finely, some whole masalas like 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, pepper seeds, red chilies, jeera, fennel seeds, some whole masalas like 1 bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, 2 cloves, a piece of star anise. This would be enough. We need to roast them. Half lemon, some green chilies slit in two, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of roasted coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red mirchi powder, turmeric powder and some jeera powder. Let's start with the recipe now. Let's marinate the chicken first. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd in the chicken, half tablespoon of ginger garlic, salt, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, squeeze the lemon juice, some jeera powder, and now mix this well. Once the masalas are nicely coated, we need to marinate this for half an hour. Let's roast the dry masala. So in a pan I've added all the dry masala. Just roast them for like 5 minutes in the low flame. Once you get a nice roasted smell, you can turn off the heat and keep it in the hot tawa so it's nicely roasted. So I'll turn off the heat now. I can get a nice aroma, roasted aroma. I'm turning off the heat. I'll keep it. Let's grind this coarsely. We have got a nice masala now. In a cooker, take some oil. Keep it on a high flame. Add the onions and fry this well. We need to fry them until golden brown. This is nicely done. So this is the color that we're looking for. So in chicken Bhuna masala, we need to roast all the masalas well. So now I have added half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the onions and roast it again. Add the coarsely grinded dry masala. Mix it well. Add the Kashmiri mirch powder, some red chili powder, half tablespoon, some garam masala, some turmeric and 2 tablespoons of roasted coriander powder, and mix this, fry this well in the onion. Now add the green chilies. Add the chopped tomatoes. Keep this on a high flame now. Add some salt to soften the tomatoes. Fry this well on a high flame. Now keep it on a medium flame and close the lid so the tomatoes are nicely mashed and cooked well in the masala. This seems to be done. tomatoes are done. I'll just mash it slightly with the spatula. If you feel that still the tomatoes are to be cooked, you can keep it for some more time. Let's add the marinated chicken. Keep it on a high flame and mix it well. Fry the chicken in the masala for some time. So as I said, chicken Bhuna Masala is all about roasting the masala well. Stir it frequently so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Chicken seems to be nicely roasted. Now let's add water to it. Because the oil has separated, that means the chicken is nicely roasted. I have added some water. So it all depends on what consistency you want. So I am looking for a semi-gravy consistency. So I'll add just about like a cup of water. And I'll close the lid and whistle it for 2-3 whistles. Allow the cooker to cool down. Once the whistle is completely gone, the air is completely gone, you can open it. Wow, this is looking really tempting. Chicken is nicely cooked. The masalas are nicely roasted, but I can see some more water, so I need to drain it more because I need a semi-gravy. I'll have added some coriander leaves. Now I'll keep it on a high flame to get the required consistency for me. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. I think it's almost done now. Yes, and ready to be served. Let's serve this now. Chicken Bhuna Masala goes very well with nice steamed rice and nice tandoori rotis. As I said, if you want a nice gravy, then you need to add some more water. I have drained the water because I was looking for some semi-gravy sort of a dish. Hope you all like this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.